6.4 Components of Physical Fitness. Skill related components. The skill related components of physical fitness are those that are important for performance in sports and other activities that require physical skills. They are speed. This is the ability to move your body or limbs quickly from one place to another. The activities that improve speed include sprinting, jumping rope, and agility. Key components of speed: acceleration, maximal speed, and speed endurance. Acceleration: the ability to rapidly increase speed from a stationary or slow position. Maximal speed: the highest speed an individual can achieve. Speed endurance: the ability to maintain high speed for an extended period. Importance of speed: enhanced athletic performance. Speed is crucial for many sports as it allows athletes to react quickly, outrun opponents, and create scoring opportunities. Improved reaction time. Developing speed can improve overall reaction time, benefiting daily activities and preventing accidents. Increased power. Speed training helps to develop power, which is essential for explosive movements. Boosted confidence. Improved speed can boost self esteem and confidence in physical abilities. Agility. This is the ability to change direction quickly and efficiently. Activities that improve agility include agility drills, plyometric, and sports that require quick changes of direction, such as soccer and basketball. Agility, the art of quick movement. Agility is the ability to change your body's position quickly and efficiently. It involves a combination of balance, coordination, speed, reaction time, and strength. Balance, maintaining equilibrium while moving. Coordination, using different parts of your body together smoothly. Speed, the ability to move quickly. Reaction time, how fast you can respond to a stimulus. Strength, muscle power to execute movements. Think of a soccer player changing direction to avoid a defender, or a basketball player making a quick cut to the basket. Importance of agility: enhanced athletic performance. Crucial for sports requiring quick changes in direction. Injury prevention. Improved agility can help to prevent falls and sprains. Improved daily activities helps with tasks like walking on uneven surfaces or avoiding obstacles.
साईडने जॉब करत जा. गो क्लास सेट करू द्या.
Third,
ओके स्टॉप.
power. This is the ability to combine strength and speed to produce explosive movements. Activities that improve power include plyometric, weightlifting, and sprinting. Key components of power: strength and speed. Strength, the ability to exert force against resistance. Speed, the ability to move quickly. Importance of power: enhanced athletic performance, improved daily activities, and injury prevention. Enhanced athletic performance, crucial for sports requiring explosive movements like jumping, throwing, and sprinting. Improved daily activities, helps with tasks like lifting heavy objects or climbing stairs. Injury prevention, strong and powerful muscle can help to prevent injuries. Power exercises. Power exercises focus on explosive movements that combine strength and speed. Here are some effective exercises. First, plyometrics. These exercises involve rapid stretching followed by a powerful contraction. Box jumps, depth jumps, lateral jumps, and medicine ball slams. Box jumps, jumping onto a box and stepping down. Depth jumps, dropping from a height and immediately jumping up. Lateral jumps, jumping sideways. Medicine ball slams, throwing a medicine ball forcefully on the ground. Second, weightlifting. These exercises involve lifting weights explosively. Power cleans, lifting a barbell from the ground to shoulder level in one explosive movement. Push press, pressing a barbell overhead with a dip and drive. Snatch, lifting a barbell from the ground to overhead in one continuous motion. Third, other exercises. Kettlebell swings. Swinging a kettlebell from between your legs to overhead. Medicine ball throws. Throwing a medicine ball against a wall with force. Olympic lifts. Incorporating elements of powerlifting and weightlifting. Remember, proper form is crucial to prevent injuries. Start with lighter weights and gradually increase as you get stronger. Warm up. Before starting any power training session, listen to your body and rest when needed. Balance. Balance in physical activity refers to your ability to maintain control of your body's position. It's essentially staying steady on your feet. But it's more than just not falling over. Good balance is crucial for pretty much any kind of movement, from walking and running to dancing and playing sports. Balance is the ability to maintain equilibrium or control your body's position, whether stationary or moving. It involves a complex interplay of several factors, including proprioception, your body's sense of where it is in space, vestibular system, your inner ear's balance mechanism, vision, your eyes provide information about your surroundings, muscular strength and endurance. This support your body's position. Types of balance: static balance and dynamic balance. Static balance, maintaining equilibrium while stationary, like standing on one leg. Dynamic balance, maintaining equilibrium while moving, like walking on a balance beam. Importance of balance: injury prevention, enhanced athletic performance, improved daily activities. Injury prevention: improved balance reduces the risk of falls and injuries. Enhanced athletic performance, crucial for sports requiring balance, agility, and coordination. Improved daily activities helps with tasks like walking on uneven surfaces or carrying load.
थ्री स्टार्ट प्रेझेंट पाच टेकू नको छान दिसतं हे काय विचारलं का त्याचं
हा केलंय म्हणलं फी वगैरे भरली म्हणला तो सगळे भरले
मग काय अडचण झालं काय तो कांचा येतो का दुसरा नवीन आला ठेवतो का
ठीक आहे पहिला दिवस होता
पहिला ठेवतो
नाही नाही काय
थोडंसं लेफ्ट का
स्टॉप.
आधी नव्हता
हा तो म्हणला मला आजार येतो.
भावेश और पूरब.
भावेशला काय झालं?
भावेशचं लेक्चर होतं.
पूरबला काय?
पूरब मॅच आहे सर.
त्यांची टीम आहे
आता
का?
खेळत नाही सर, तरी पण जातोय. चेतक FC.
चेतक आहे? पूरबला आहे?
यावर्षी इव्हेंट होणार आहे ते. त्याला 10.
Fifth, coordination. Coordination in physical activity is all about how smoothly and efficiently your body moves. It's the seamless working together of your nervous system, muscles, and senses to achieve a desired movement. Key components of coordination: eye hand coordination, the ability to coordinate visual input with hand movements; eye foot coordination, the ability to coordinate visual input with foot movements; body coordination, the ability to coordinate different parts of your body to perform a movement; reaction time, the ability to respond quickly to a stimulus. Importance of coordination: enhanced athletic performance, improved daily activities, injury prevention, enhanced athletic performance, crucial for sports requiring precise movements and quick reactions. Improved daily activities helps with tasks like catching a ball, typing, or driving. Injury prevention: improved coordination can help to prevent falls and injuries.
कुठे आहे ते? तू येणार आहे क्रॉस कंट्री?